Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Bool network airdrop only guys. So it is a decentralized infrastructure for BTC5. So we're going to see about this project, how you can participate in their airdrop and get the airdrop, okay? And they have already raised the funding of total $2 million in the funding round, and here you can see their seed investors and all. And currently you can see they have more than 268k followers they are having, okay? So which is good, and this project is actually they are building this for Bitcoin only. Here you can see DeFi on Bitcoin possible to make Bitcoin foundation for truly decentralized and trustless financial system for the future, okay? So we're going to see about this airdrop only guys in this video. And before we start our video, if this is the first time listening to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and like this video and continue watching it. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, make sure to follow me here also guys. So with that being said, let's get into the video guys. So guys, first of all, you'll be able to get this airdrop link in the description. Just click on the link, it will take you to the airdrop. So guys, once you click on the link, it will take you to your Telegram bot, and here you'll be able to see it will tell you to select the language, and you need to select the language, and here you can see welcome. So in case if you are not using my referral link and if you are going directly, it will not let you go inside. So you gotta need somebody's referral link. You don't need to use my referral link, use somebody's referral link, and just come here and click on start your journey, okay? So if you click on start your journey, and here you can see account age verified and account level analyzed, and then Telegram premium checked, everything they will check, and then continue options will be available, okay? So just click on the continue, and once you click on the continue, and then finally you will be able to see your account score, okay? And then just click on start guideline, and once you click on start guideline, and here you can see guys, for the newcomers what you need to do in order to earn at least 200 T-Bol, no? So you gotta subscribe to the channel, okay? So just click on this one, and then it will take you to their channel. Just go and join. So after you click on the check button, here you can see your 50 T-Bol will be received, okay? And the next thing, you need to join their Bool group also. So just click on the start, it will take you there. Join there and come back here again, and then finally you need to go click on start, and then it will take you to their Twitter account. Go there and follow them on the Twitter account, and come back here and click on check. Even this will be done, okay? Come back here again and click on check. Even you will be able to receive this also, okay? So after you join in this group also, so just join there and come back here. Finally you'll be able to receive all the points, and click on the next step, okay? So we have completed the next first step, and the next step we need to stake to earn more T-Bol, okay? So currently you can see our balance is 0. So just do the refresh. So guys, for the second task, no, it will take actually 10 to 15 minutes to load all these validators, okay? So here only we'll be able to stake our T-Bol. So for you gotta wait for 10 to 15 minutes, then it will show. Just come back here and do the refresh. So once you click on the refresh, you'll be able to stake here, okay? So just click on the stake, and then you can put the amount how much you wanna put, okay? So the minimum is 200, so just type 200 and click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, you can't stake on this mode right now. Please choose a different one, okay? So I'm gonna choose this last one, and I'm going to stake 200. Just click on confirm again. So sometimes you will be able to, sometimes you will face these kind of problems. Just do the refresh again and again, and try to stake in this one. So type 200 and click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, here you can see sending transaction, okay? So it will go through. So you gotta try all the available things, okay? So then here you can see we successfully staked here, and now you need to click on the next step, okay? So guys, for the next step you gotta wait for 2 hours, okay? So after 2 hours you'll be able to complete this step, and after you complete this step, now I'll tell you what you gotta do. Just come back here, and here you can see unlock Boolean badge will be there, okay? So you'll be able to unlock this badge, but for that you gotta complete this task too. So you gotta wait for 2 hours, and then you'll be able to complete this task, and click on the next step, and then you'll be able to claim your Boolean badge, okay? So and after that you will be able to get this one more thing, okay? So which is this here you can see claim on lucky draw, okay? So you'll be able to use this lucky draw in the raffle. So just come here, and here you can use that lucky draw, okay? So and apart from that, here you can stake and unstake, everything you can do. Here you will be able to retrieve the balance that you have staked, and in the home screen you can do multiple things to earn more T-Bol also. Here you can see click on the join and complete all the tasks, so that you will earn this 300 T-Bol here. And apart from that, so here daily task will be there. You need to complete all the tasks so that you will be able to earn more T-Bol, okay? So here you can see we just need to like and subscribe, like these kind of tasks only. So complete it and gain all the rewards. Okay, and apart from that, global squads will be there. You can start joining here also. So these are the things, and you'll be able to check your rank here, and then you'll be able to claim this raffle. You will be getting in the first lucky draw now. So just come here and use it, and finally you can share your referral link with your friends, and then you'll be able to earn rewards for that also. Okay, so pretty much that's it guys. In this video just completely covered what you need to do in order to get this Bull Network airdrop. So if you don't claim this badge, you will not get the airdrop. So this claiming this badge is very important. I mean this unlocking this boolean badge. Okay, so you gotta wait for 2 hours, and after that just come back here, refresh, do the refresh, and click on the next step. And the fourth step would be just need to go here and claim the boolean badge. That's it. Okay, so pretty much that's it guys in this video. Hope you like this video. If you do so, click the like button. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.